Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to fix network issues and improve signal stability. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.